My name is Bill Constantopoulos at SC&H Group. I work in our accounting solutions practice, leveraging Sage Intacct for both outsourced accounting and system implementations. We work with a variety of clients in a variety of industries, but all share common challenges and objectives. There are many older and outdated accounting systems that do not have the ability to track and manage multiple entities within the same environment. Thankfully, Sage Intacct has architected their program to allow for multi-entity accounting within a single environment while managing just a single login. Today, I want to walk you some of the basics in multi-entity system architecture. I just want to generally show you how it looks and how it works within Sage Intacct. So when we're looking in Intacct in a multi-entity environment, right off the bat, you'll notice this top level button at the top of the screen. You'll notice once I click this top level button, I see that I have a top level option as well as 5 individual entities underneath. So what we've built is a system where there are 5 separate legal entities, but they are all under a single roof. So this really allows you to produce a consolidated and/or consolidating financial statement with the click of a button, if it is set up correctly. I want to illustrate that when you are at the top level, you do have the ability to transact on behalf of a single entity or multiple entities from the top level. You also have the ability, by selecting this top level dropdown and selecting a specific entity, to slide into a specific entity. You'll notice that a brand new tab opened up in my browser, and now I am strictly at the entity 100 level, and I can only transact on the entity 100 level. If I exit out of this, I'm back at the top level. I never left. And again, at the top level, you have the ability to transact on one entity or multiple entities at the top level. This allows you to process a shared services vendor invoice, like an insurance bill, for multiple entities. By having a multi-entity system, you also have the ability for automated intercompany transactions. So I want to show how this works a little bit by navigating to the entity list. So if I go to Applications, Company, and select Entities, I'll see an actual list of all the entities in the system. This is also how you can quickly and easily add a new entity if you make a new acquisition or if you're opening up new branches. In each entity record, there exists a tab called Inter-Entity Setup. In this screen, you have the ability to set up essentially a system roadmap for Intacct to automate intercompany postings. For instance, whenever entity 100 interacts with entity 200, and whenever there is a receivable or payable balance between the two entities, Intacct will automatically post that journal entry to the accounts in this setup. Please note that there's a variety of ways to set up this intercompany postings. You can have it all post to a single account. You can have a separate receivable account and a separate payable account, or just have one intercompany account per entity. In other videos, I show you how to produce consolidated and consolidating financial statements with the click of a button. Thank you for watching today's presentation. I hope this was helpful. If you need help or have any additional questions, please visit schgroup.com and reach out to our accounting solutions practice. Catch you later.